Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 6, chapter number 2, that is playing with numbers. So, let's start. We are going to start with exercise 2C that is given on your page number 31. So, the question number 1 says that look at the number square given in the table and answer the following. So, we are given this table 2.1 and यहाँ पे number square given है with 1 to 100 numbers, right? Let's see what we have to answer. A part is list the multiples of 2 between 1 and 10 both inclusive. That means 1 और 10 को आपने इंक्लूड करना है एंड 1 एंड 10 की रेंज के अंदर आपके पास जितने भी मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2 आ रहे हैं दैट यू हैव टू लिस्ट. सो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2 यू हैव इज 2 4 6 8 एंड 10 बिकॉज 10 भी ले सकते हो. सो यू विल सिंपली राइट 2 4 6 8 and 10. Let's see the next part. Next part is how many even numbers are there between 1 to 10 both inclusive. Again 1 to 10 you have to consider 1 also and 10 also. Again you have to tell that are there even numbers are the numbers that are divisible by 2 or they have 0 2 4 6 and 8 in their last digits. So again it would be 2 4 6 8 and 10. So you will write there are 5 even numbers. 5 even numbers and you can also mention which 5 numbers are there. So 2 4 6 8 and 10. I hope this is clear. Let's see one more part. What do you notice about the unit digit of an even number? Even number की unit digits के बारे में हम क्या notice कर रहे हैं? That they all are divisible by 2. So what do we notice about the last digits of the even number? We notice that these all are divisible by 2. And let's see the H part. How many even numbers are there between 1 and 100 both inclusive? Now we have to take from 1 to 100 all the numbers and we have to tell there are how many even numbers. See, number या तो even होगा या odd होगा, right? And after every odd number there is a even number, then odd number, then even number. That means 50% of the given numbers will be even and 50% of the given numbers will be odd. So 100 में से 50 numbers even होंगे, 50 numbers odd होंगे. That means there are 50 even numbers between 1 to 100. Let's move on to the next. What are the factors? What are the factors of the following? Now we have to find the factors. This we have done quite a lot in the last chapter, that is HCF and LCM. So we will see how we are going to write the factors. In case हमारा कोई भी factor miss ना हो जाए, we are going to use this method. First of all, 12. 12 का first factor क्या होगा? 1, because we have studied that 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 into 12 is 12, right? Then 12 is a even number because it is having 2 in its units digit. So we will write 2 into 6 is equals to 12. Then we know that 12 1 plus 2 that is 3, it is also divisible by 3. ये 3 के टेबल में भी आएगा. So 3 into 4 is equals to 12, right? Now 3 का नेक्स्ट टेबल कौन सा आता है? 4. बट वो तो हम ऑलरेडी कंसीडर कर चुके हैं. दैट मीन्स जब ये हमारा नंबर ऐसे रिपीट हो जाएगा वहां पे हम अपनी स्टॉप कर देंगे टेबल्स लिखना एंड वी विल सी दैट फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 आर कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स है? 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So this is how we are going to list the factors of a number, right? Let's see one more part, that is we have to list the factors of 36. 36 के factors लिखने हैं. Again हम same process करेंगे. We will start with 1. 1 into 36 is 36. 36 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 into 18 is equals to 36. 3. अगेन आप 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करोगे. 36 3 की टेबल में आएगा. सो 3 into 12 is 36. Then 4 into 9 is 36. Then 6 is to 6 is equals to 36. Now 6 and 6 repeat हो गया. That means we have to just stop here. And factors क्या आ जाएंगे हमारे? 1 2 3 4 6. क्योंकि 6 दो बार है हम 6 फैक्टर एक ही बार लिखेंगे बिकॉज एक ही नंबर 6 है जो फैक्टर होगा 36 का. सो वी विल राइट इट ओनली वंस. देन 9 12, 18, and 36. This is how we are going to list the fact. Third question says we have to fill in the blanks. Let's see. If a number A is exactly divisible by B, A number directly exactly divisible है B से, then B is a dash of A and A divided by B will have dash as the remainder. That means अगर A और B exactly divisible है, that means हमारा A factor होगा B का, that means B factor होगा A का, and जब हम A और B को divide करेंगे हमारे पास remainder will be 0. बिकॉज दैट इज वॉट अ फैक्टर इज. अगर हम 36 को 1 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं हमारे पास रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. लेट्स सी वन मोर पार्ट. अ नंबर इज अ डैश एंड अ डैश ऑफ इटसेल्फ. It is a factor and a multiple of itself. For example, we said 1 into 36 is equals to 36. So it is also a factor and a multiple of itself. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next we have is question number 4, wherein we have to write down the multiples of the following numbers between 55 and 105. 55 एंड 105 के बीच में मल्टीपल्स लिखने हैं. लेट्स सी हमारे पास है 10. हमें स्टार्ट कहाँ से करना है? 55 से. 55 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 10. 10 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल क्या होता है? लास्ट में हमारा 0 आना चाहिए. तो 55 के बाद कौन सा ऐसा नंबर आएगा जिसके बाद फर्स्ट हमारा यूनिट डिजिट पे 0 आएगा? इट इज 60, 70, 80, 90 एंड 100. 105 नहीं लेंगे बिकॉज इट विल नॉट बी हमारा मल्टीपल ऑफ 10. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, let's see one more part, that is 25. So when we will find the multiples of 25 between 55 and 105, हम क्या करेंगे? हमें पता है 25 1 से 25, 25 2 is 50. 50 के बाद अगर हम 25 ऐड करेंगे, what we will get? We will get 75. That means 75 will be the number that is coming in between 55 and 105. Then 75 के बाद how we will find? Again 25 add करेंगे and we will get answer is 100. So next number will be 100, or we can also do 25 into 3 and then 25 into 4. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see the next part. State which of the following are multiples of 2. We are given the list of numbers. इसमें से हमें देखना है इसमें से कौन कौन से numbers हमारे 2 के multiples हैं. So 2 के multiples के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? 2 का divisibility test क्या होता है? लास्ट में हमारा यूनिट डिजिट्स पे 0, 2, 4, 6 एंड 8 में से कोई डिजिट होनी चाहिए. दैट मीन्स 2 है, 1 इज नॉट डिविजिबल, 6 है, 1 है, अगेन 6 है, देन नेक्स्ट 2 है. सो हमारे नंबर्स कौन कौन से डिविजिबल है? ये वाले नंबर्स डिविजिबल है. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. And your home task is you have to do exercise 2C in your notebooks. And till then, stay connected, take care, stay safe, and thank you so much.